Karthik from FameBazaar Warrior Sarees. This is video number 3. So in this video number 3 also we have a wide and pretty range of collections. Each and every video we going to show you 5 different colors in each videos. Okay. So everything is a Tanjoy silk sarees. You will get a beautiful color combination. Very affordable price. These are all factory sale price. So you never ever get again. So don't miss this opportunity for bookings. Usually you will always take a screenshot and come to our WhatsApp number, but these type of particular videos live, you should click the payment gateway link. For each and every saree we have mentioned the link in the description box itself. Just click the link and place your orders, and don't forget to download our mobile app FameBazaar. So in your Play Store you should download our mobile app FameBazaar. FAME, F for female, FAME, Fame, BAZAR, FameBazaar. So now we will have a colors. We have a pretty 5 colors. I will show you one by one. Saree number 11, a very pretty Meenakshi Pacha. Saree fully small, minute green color, self-embossed. So this one is base warp is black color. So ad mela pretty green color la self-embossed kuduthirukanga, and hot pink color la double side butta border. So very pretty Kanjivaram style border. You will get both the sides same size of border. So this is saree number 11, a very pretty Meenakshi Pacha. So traditional and positive vibe color combination. This is pallu and this is blouse. So price of the saree is only 999. These are all actual prices of 1550 rupees, and now the factory sale price is only 999. This is saree number 11. Saree number 12 is a beautiful honey color. Saree number 12 is very pretty beautiful honey color with a beautiful lovely pretty pink color saree. So full saree you will get a honey color self-embossed saree. So diamond and heart in butta self-embossed saree with the magenta pink color. Upper side you will get a pretty 6-inch border, and lower side you will get little bit bigger border like 8 to 9 inches border. So zigzag weaving tilagam butta on the borders, and full saree also tilagam butta style, and you will get a very pretty tissue pallu and thread woven blouse. This is saree number 12. Saree number 12, price at 999, free ship. A lovely cream color. A very pretty cream color saree with a completely diamond butta throughout the saree, and lovely pink color double side border either side, and lovely tissue pink color pallu and a pretty pink color blouse. Very pretty pink color blouse. This is saree number 13. Price at only 999. Only 999. Don't miss it. Saree number 13 is very pretty color. Don't miss it. Saree number 14. Wow, what a beautiful color and tissue border. Such a beautiful color combination. Saree செம்ம அழகா இருக்கு. Trust me, it's a beautiful awesome piece. So base warp வந்து pink color base warpல மேல orange color அந்த self embossed ultimate இருக்கு. So both the side you will get a blue color tissue border awesome இருக்கு. So பொதுவா கோரியா மஸ்லின்ல won't come tissue borders, but this tissue border is giving you awesome look. So don't miss this particular color. This is saree number 14, full saree self embossed, and this is tissue pallu and contrast blouse. Price only 999. Free shipping all over India. Saree number 15. A nice pretty beige color saree, sandal color saree. So saree is completely pink color pallu both the side. So upper side you will get a floral booty on border, and lower side you will get a chakram booties, and full saree you will get a beautiful self embossed. So saree full of is செம்ம அழகா awesome இருக்கு, and you will get a very pretty pallu like this thread woven pallu, and this is saree number 15 and price at 999 free shipping, and this is blouse. So this is saree number 15. So for bookings, you just click the payment gateway link and place your valuable orders. These are all beautiful color combination, awesome piece, pretty different color combination. Factory sale price, you never get these type of beautiful collections. So no one give this competitive price. So book it as soon as possible. Thank you.